In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your own completely free website using Weebly. Weebly is a widely used, user-friendly website builder that allows you to craft beautiful, professional-looking websites without needing in-depth technical skills or knowledge in web development. Whether you're looking to share your personal blog, promote your business, or even start an online store, Weebly offers tools and features to bring your vision to life. Once you've created your Weebly account, you'll be greeted with a simple question. Does your website need an online store? If you're planning to sell products or services directly from your site, selecting this option will integrate e-commerce features right from the start. If not, you can bypass this and proceed to the next step, which involves choosing a template. Weebly offers an array of modern and responsive templates to suit a variety of needs, from personal blogs to business portfolios. Take your time exploring the available options and select a template that best aligns with your website's goals and aesthetics. Remember, your choice isn't set in stone. You can always change your template later on. Once you've chosen your template, you will be taken to the Weebly website editor. This is where the magic truly happens, and you get to personalize your site to your liking. The editor interface is designed to be intuitive, making it simple to add your own content and make your site unique. You'll notice a sidebar on the left, filled with elements you can use to build out the functionality of your site. From text boxes to imagery, buttons to forms, each element can be clicked on or dragged and dropped directly onto your page. This drag and drop system is the heart of Weebly's ease of use, enabling you to visually construct your site by simply moving elements around until everything looks just right. Now, if you look at the top of the editor, you'll find the tool tabs. These are crucial for guiding you through the various editing and customization options available. Selecting a tool tab will change the contents of the left sidebar, updating it with more specific tools pertinent to the section you're working on. For instance, you might find tabs dedicated to settings for your store, SEO configurations, or even analytics tools. Familiarizing yourself with these tabs enhances your ability to tweak your site's functionality and appearance to your exact specifications. By allowing yourself some time to navigate these features and experiment with the various elements and tools, you'll be crafting your website with confidence and not just meet your site's immediate needs, but possibly inspire future digital projects. Now that you are familiar with the basics, you're ready to jump in and start building your website on Weebly. Happy designing!